This video will review the Geological Structure Contour Modeling and Mapping tool. For short, we will call it GSCM. The overview of GSCM is available in the Help section on the GSCM menu. With GSCM, you can 3D ray trace a structure by providing depth data and other input parameters. You can estimate the areal extent and generate unmigrated and migrated maps. This process can also be carried out by generating structure model data and providing input parameters. Input parameters can be entered manually or by retrieving parameters saved in your database. To manually enter or change parameters, select File from the menu bar and Input Parameters, Input-Output Files option. The project directory is displayed with the name of the Excel file where all data points are stored. Users are able to click the label for each parameter for visual displays for quick reference. The image can be closed by simply clicking it. Alternatively, parameters can be loaded from database files. Go to File in the menu bar and select the Get Input Parameters from Database option. The top table contains records from previous input. Select the record you wish to model and then click Restore Input Record ID. This will load the values into the previous. Next, you may change more options by clicking Options on the menu bar and then select Show All Options. The options on this page may be selected to fit the user's needs. For this run, we will save all the images and generate Word and PowerPoint files that capture each contour generated by the application. For this run, we will save the image files as JPEG files. To generate the structure, click Run and then Ray Trace Map. The sequence of ray tracing starts at the deepest contour, which is at the bottom of the structure, and it progresses by one contour at a time to the shallowest contour depth specified by the user. The inner rectangle drawn on the surface represents the initial estimate of the areal extent for the 3D survey, and the outer rectangle takes into account the maximum offset for the estimate of the areal extent of the 3D survey. After the 3D ray tracing of the structure is completed, the user is prompted to continue with the generation of quality control maps using the Surfer application. Some of the maps created include migrated and unmigrated model data maps, 3D dip maps, and strike maps. When completed, you can zoom out to view all the maps. The parameters and dimensions detail box may be repositioned as needed by clicking on and dragging and dropping. The Surfer plots can also be exported to Word and PowerPoint. This is an example of the Word document generated for each contour of the structure. If you did not select the option before the model was created, you can do it after by clicking on Export on the File menu and create a Word or PowerPoint document. To view the location of the images saved, click on the File and Get Input Parameters from Database. Your most recent run is selected in the top table. The bottom table shows all saved files associated with the selected run. The bottom table shows the file type as well as the location of the file. In your File Explorer, you can browse to your project directory and the specified location to view the files. The Graphics Files folder contains the images. The MSO Files folder contains the Word and PowerPoint files.